Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I am going to show you 5 easy CapCut effects that will level up your videos in no time. So without wasting a second, let's jump right in. First up, we have this super cool 3D subscribe animation, perfect for grabbing attention. Start by adding your video where you subscribe to your channel. Trim it down to keep only the part you need. Now go to the effects panel, search for player 3 and place it above the clip, not inside it. Set the texture and glow to 0. Add keyframes on size, horizontal, vertical and rotate settings. Move a few frames forward and increase the size and rotation to create that dynamic animation. Adjust the keyframes to speed up or slow down the effect. After a few frames, tweak the horizontal and vertical values if needed. Then reverse the rotation for an extra smooth effect. Now select all the keyframes, apply a preset curve one by one and make it super smooth. To remove those annoying black bars, select both the effect and the clip, right click and create compound clip. Finally add keyframes, increase the scale and you are done. Next up we have the subscribe highlight animation. This effect makes your subscribe button pop out. First trim your video to the right part. Duplicate the clip holding Alt and dragging it upwards. Select the upper clip, go to mask, add mask and choose rectangle mask. Adjust the mask so it covers just the subscribe button. Now in basic settings, add a scale keyframe, move a few frames forwards and increase the scale. Adjust the position so it stays on the original button. Apply preset curves for a smooth pop-out effect. Select the lower clip and add a blend keyframe, move forward and increase opacity for a fade out effect, and that's it, your subscribe highlight animation is ready. Next we have this logo transition effect. Add two clips to your timeline, insert your logo between them, add a scale keyframe to the logo, set start value to 0, move a few frames forward and increase the scale until it's filled the screen, move to where the next clip appears, then set the scale back to 0, add a preset curve to make it smooth. Now make the logo a compound clip, right click and save it as a preset. Now anytime you want this transition, just drag and drop the preset, easy and fast. Next up we have the compound clip animation. This trick lets you animate multiple PNGs and clips together, super useful. Add all your PNGs and place them how you want. Select all of them, right click and create a compound clip. Now add keyframes and animate them together in one go. Next, at last, we have the blur specific parts. If you need to blur a part of your video, here is quick and easy way. First, duplicate your clip, select the duplicate, can go to mask, add rectangle or circle mask, adjust the mask over the part you want to blur. Now go to effects and drag a blur effect onto the masked video and you are good to go. And that's a wrap. So these were 5 easy CapCut effects to take your videos to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Also follow me on Instagram for more updates and I will see you in the next video. Bye.